it's Kelsey and welcome back to another video. It is a different day from when I filmed this last, the actual video, and I look like a piece of doo-doo right now, but let's get on to the point. I did not say what you will be needing. All the ingredients will be in the description thingy down below. The slime, I'm not going to tell you if it works or if it doesn't, but I did mine in I did put mine in the stress ball, in a balloon, so it was like a stress ball, but you don't have to do that. This is definitely your choice, but let's get on to the video. Stick on. So take your glue stick and empty it out in a microwave safe bowl. Add as many glue sticks as you want. I did 2. Then add water. Then you are going to want to stir the glue stick with the water. Then you are going to want to take your plastic wrap and wrap your microwave safe bowl in it. Then microwave your glue stick in water in 5-second intervals. We ended up doing it for 20 seconds. After microwaving, this is what it should look like. It smells horrible. Now you are going to want to get your shaving cream and shaving cream it up. After mixing, this is what it should look like. Then add your food coloring. To make the slime actual slime, add laundry detergent. So after putting 2 caps of laundry detergent in, this is what my slime looks like. So then I decided to make it a stress ball. I just took a little funnel I made out of a water bottle and a balloon and put my slime into it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave it a big thumbs up, subscribe, leave comment suggestions down below. It could be a vlog. I think we're going to Jackson, so maybe, I don't know. But anyways, I have a new outro, like it's a picture. So leave another comment telling me if you like it or not. I don't know. But anyways, love you guys. Bye.
Do you think I'm pretend? Do I make you feel like you can? I'm like,